Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If your dashboard is lighting up like a Christmas tree with ABS traction control or stability control warnings, and you've pulled a C0035 trouble code, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into what this code means, what causes it, and most importantly, how you can fix it. Don't let that little code intimidate you. We're going to break it down, step by step. So, what exactly is the C0035 code? FLIRT. In simple terms, it stands for Left Front Wheel Speed Sensor Circuit. Your car's computer, or ECU, has detected a problem with the signal coming from the wheel speed sensor on your front driver's side wheel. This sensor is super important. It tells the computer how fast that specific wheel is turning. This information is critical for your anti-lock braking system, or ABS, your traction control system, and your electronic stability control. When that signal is lost or erratic, the computer flags it with a C0035 and shuts down those safety systems as a precaution. That's why you see all those warning lights pop up on your dash. Now, let's talk about the common culprits behind this code. The most frequent cause is simply a faulty wheel speed sensor. These sensors live in a harsh environment, constantly exposed to dirt, water, and road debris. So it's not surprising they can fail over time. Another major cause is a wiring issue. The wires leading to the sensor can get damaged, corroded, or even chewed through by rodents. Sometimes, the problem isn't the sensor or the wire itself, but the connector. It might be loose, corroded, or full of dirt, preventing a solid electrical connection. A less common but possible cause is a damaged or dirty tone ring, also known as a reluctor ring. This is a toothed ring that the sensor reads to determine wheel speed. If it's cracked, has broken teeth, or is covered in thick grime or rust, the sensor can't get an accurate reading. Finally, in rare cases, the issue could lie within the ABS control module itself. But we should always rule out the simpler, more common problems first. Alright, let's get our hands dirty and figure out how to diagnose this thing. First, a visual inspection is key. Jet. Get your car safely jacked up and supported on jet stands. Then remove the front left wheel. Locate the wheel speed sensor. It's usually mounted on the steering knuckle, pointing towards the hub. Look closely at the sensor and its wiring. Do you see any obvious cracks, fraying, or signs of damage? Check the connector for corrosion or bent pins. Also, inspect the tone ring if you can see it. Is it clean and intact? Sometimes, just cleaning up a dirty sensor or a corroded connector can solve the problem. If the visual inspection doesn't reveal anything, it's time to break out the multimeter. You can test the sensor's resistance and compare it to the manufacturer's specifications. Jet. You can also check for voltage and ground at the sensor S connector to make sure the circuit is complete. A more advanced method is to use a scan tool with live data capability or an oscilloscope. This allows you to watch the sensor's signal in real time as you spin the wheel by hand. A healthy sensor will produce a clean, consistent waveform that changes with wheel speed. See a flat line, a glitchy signal, or nothing at all, you've found your problem. So, you've diagnosed the issue. What's next? If the sensor is bad, replacement is usually straightforward. Just unbolt the old one, disconnect it, and install the new one. Make sure you clean the mounting surface before you put the new sensor in. If you found a broken wire, you'll need to repair it properly with a good quality splice and heat shrink to protect it from the elements. If the tone ring is the issue, it might need to be cleaned carefully with a wire brush, or, if it's damaged, it will need to be replaced. List is often part of the wheel hub or CV axle, making it a more involved job. After you've completed the repair, clear the trouble code with your scan tool. Then, take the car for a test drive to make sure the warning lights stay off and the code doesn't return. Your ABS and traction control systems should now be back online and fully functional. And that's a wrap on troubleshooting the C0035 wheel speed sensor code. It might seem daunting at first, but with a logical approach, it's a very manageable repair. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY auto repair guides, and hit that notification bell. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.